In this section, we are going to see how we can implement email and password authentication with our app. And to show you how this works, I can open up my completed app over here, and I can tap on the Sign in with email button. And this opens a page where the user can enter his email and password. And while this might seem like a simple screen at first sight, there is actually quite a bit of logic behind it. So the form can be used both to sign in, but also to create an account. And this is because the user needs to register an email and password before this can be used to sign in. So in order to switch between sign in and registration, we have this button over here. Then the form does user input validation, and what this means is that the submit button is disabled until both the email and password meet certain validation criteria. So here, for example, I could type in an email like this, and then I could type in a password, and only when the first character of the password is entered, then the sign in button becomes active. So here I could press the sign in button, and if my email and password are incorrect, then I get an error message. And once the form has been submitted once, if I change my email and password to an invalid value, then I get an error telling me what I need to do. Additionally, this form has a loading state that is set when the user taps on the sign in button. And this is used to disable our form entirely while a sign-in request is in progress. So as we will see, to implement all the functionality in this form, we will need to store some state variables and update them according to some rules. So initially, we're going to build this page entirely using a stateful widget so that we can get things working and get more familiar with state management. And in later sections of this course, we will see how to build the same page with some alternative state management techniques. So this will be a great opportunity to learn some more advanced concepts about state management and app architecture in Flutter. And so we have a lot of interesting material to cover, and we're going to get started in the next video.